Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making the headset discoverable. Charge it above 50% so Bluetooth power is stable, then power off the headset and press and hold the pairing button for about 4 to 6 seconds. Once done, watch for the LED to flash blue rapidly. That indicates pairing mode. Make sure other nearby Bluetooth devices are off to prevent accidental connections. This immediate action saves time and ensures your computer or phone will see the BlackShark V2 when you open device Bluetooth settings. On your computer or phone, open Bluetooth settings and scan. You should see Razer BlackShark V2 appear. Tap or click the name to start pairing and accept any pairing code prompts if prompted. Once paired, set the headset as the default audio output and input device in sound settings so voice and game audio route correctly. If you use Windows, also check the Sounds control panel to pick the correct profile for microphone quality. Keep the headset within 1 to 2 meters for a clean first connection. After pairing, play audio and record a quick voice note to confirm both speakers and microphone work. If audio is low or mic is missing, make sure the headset profile is set to the hands-free or headset mode where needed. If the headset never appears, reset it by holding the pairing button for 10 seconds to clear memory, then repeat scanning. Finally, reboot your device's Bluetooth or remove old pairings. This resolves most conflicts. If problems persist, retry near another device to rule out radio interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.